That's what we know. Mine is crazy. I got my own website now, kidcrime.com.
Really? Let's check out the website right now. I want to actually see it. If you're, well, of course you're watching. That's how you would know what's going on. Open up a new tab. Let's go to kidcrime.com. KIDDCHRON.com. Fully on Kicker. Oh wow, this is pretty nice. This is a pretty cool website, brother.
As you can see, I kept some of those Exposure Nation books.
Hold on, let me see.
The one that we come with.
Oh yeah. Okay. See the Exposure Nation papers.
That's my logo now. That's copyright written now, so
that's hot. That's hot. All right, please on Kick Crime. All right, so we got the little bio going on. So we got your Facebook feed.
So that's like my family.
Right. You got your Twitter over here. You got events, booking. You got your music. Got a lot of different things.